Good morning, y'all. Good morning, everybody. This your girl Kim. I'm back again with another video. I'm not going to show my face today because I'm actually not feeling well, but I wanted to get this video out. I wanted to hurry up and do this video, so this could be something I'm working on while I'm kind of laid up in the bed because I'm not feeling good at all. Yesterday was a lot worse than today. I'm feeling a little bit better today. But this box did come yesterday, and I want to go ahead and get this video filmed. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as well as leave me a comment, thumbs up the video, and do all those things that I normally say do in the video. It all helps me out. If you are watching all of my videos, sip and chat, walkthroughs, reviews, hauls, all of those things, vlogs, if you're doing all of those things, you are my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keeps posting. As y'all see, I'm just showing y'all a little bit of my little background decorations, just because. If y'all didn't know, this, okay, where we at? This is a candle that I got from Aldi. It's a candle I got from Aldi last year. I'm not sure if they're gonna bring those back out. I need to change this, y'all. I need to get that cotton stuff, but instead I just used tablecloth. And I just recently showed y'all that I did haul these from Starbucks, as well as I got that one. This is also a candle that I got from Aldi last year. So yeah, this is my online order that came yesterday. Okay, I'm ready, y'all. I got my coffee so we could get this video started. I just love this coffee cup. Love it. One of my favorite. I got this from Home Goods, and I think it was like $5. This is one of my favorite cups, even though I use a lot of Starbucks cups. But this one right here and the other one I have is my absolute favorite cup. Let's get this one going. Okay, I'm gonna cut this box open. I know people love to hear that noise, and then when you first open it up, people just love that. Okay, here we go. This is the receipt. Oh, look at that, y'all. Bath and Body Works has new single wick boxes. Look at that. I haven't heard anybody say anything about the new boxes yet, but Bath and Body Works is shipping in. They have new boxes, y'all. The shipping packaging for the single wicks is new. This is the old packaging that they used to ship the single wicks in. Just this little package where they just slide it in over the candle. Now, the candles is coming in these little square boxes, just like the 3-wick candles. Wow, I really like that. Really, really nice. So as y'all see, I don't have much, but let's get it started. The first item is going to be a single wick. I just put lotion on my hands, so of course the box is just absorbing all of the lotion. This is the first candle, and this is salted butterscotch and vanilla. Love the new packaging. I love the shipping packaging. Super, super nice. But this is the first one. As you do see, it comes in this plaid-like container. I did get these free with rewards. And then the next day, Bath and Body Works did a sale on the single wicks for $5.95. But I got these free with the $15.95 3-wick candle sale. Yeah. I ordered these the day the online exclusives was released. So yeah, I decided to grab this one. And it most definitely smells just like the Butterscotch candle with just a little bit more of the vanilla note in it. So yeah, got that one. Palo Santo. Y'all know this is one of my favorite candles. Absolutely really enjoy this candle. You cannot go wrong with this candle. Yes, it's a more of an earthy scent, but it is really, really good. And y'all do know there is no scent notes on the bottom, so I cannot tell you the scent. But this candle it just keep coming back. So yes, it's that same plaid label, and it's just a front label, nothing on the back. Cream color wax single wick candle. Love this scent. The last one I got free is this raspberry and whipped vanilla. Again, the same plaid packaging, front label, cream color wax, single wick candle. Amazing. This is new. This is a new scent this season, as well as that salted butterscotch plus vanilla. This is good. I really get that raspberry note. Yes, this is good. And I think this is supposed to come out in a 3-wick. If it do, I most definitely will grab another one. So far, this isn't bad. Okay, now for the 3-wick candles. And, of course, the box is sealed. Okay. A candle that a lot of people been waiting on. This candle is just okay for me. This is one that I really don't go ham on or really buy a lot of. This is the pink fairy gumdrop candle. It comes out every year. Packaging is cute. This retro look, I kind of like it. These were online exclusive. This wraparound actually goes all the way around the jar. And it's like, it's not a soft pink. It's really like a super, super deep pink, almost like bubblegum pink. So yes, and it looked like it's coming up true to color on the camera. And also it's kind of trimmed in gold. As you see, the wicks, those wicks are super duper long. Oh my goodness. The scent notes is sugarberry, cotton candy, and fairy dust. Sorry if y'all heard a coughing in the background. My son is actually sick as well. We both sick. He actually got me sick, but he is in the background coughing. Sorry. But yeah, this candle is really super sweet. You most definitely get that cotton candy, that very sugary scent from this candle. It's nice, super, super nice. A lot of people absolutely love this candle. And like I said, I do like the packaging. That's one reason why I did grab this. I love that retro look that it has, the stockings, the ornaments. I love that. Super, super nice. But I most definitely probably is going to be one and done because I do already own a couple of these candles, so I was just getting it just because I like the packaging. The next candle, this one is another one from that same retro look. I don't know the name of this collection. It just looks very retro to me. But this one is not brown sugar. But this one is blueberry sugar. Blueberry sugar. This packaging is so cute, and again, it is trimmed with that gold as well as the white. It does go all the way around. The wraparound goes all the way around, and it's glue. I don't know, this is glue on it. So yes, thick wicks. These wicks are really, really thick. These are not as long as the other one. This is a candle I always get every year, and I end up returning it. I don't know why. And I think it's because this is a candle that kind of hang around the whole season. So I know this is a candle that I really could probably get 50% off or 75%, because this is one of those candles that it always sticks around for some reason. So I don't know why I keep buying this candle and then I end up returning it and then I buy it again. I don't know. So this time I will be keeping this one because I really like the packaging. And then last year I accidentally returned both of the candles that I bought. So this one will stay in the collection and I will burn it. And if you don't know, the scent notes is blueberries, brown sugar, graham cracker crust. That's the scent notes in this one. It actually smells really... It actually smells like blueberries with sugar on them. I don't really get that crust note, but again, I would have to burn this one. For some reason, I have this candle in my collection, but I have never ever burned it. And I don't know why. I don't know why. I've never burned this candle, even though I have probably 2 in my collection, but I just never burned it. So we'll see this year. Maybe this will be the year that I burn this candle. Okay, vanilla snowflakes. Vanilla snowflake. As you see, it still have that retro look to it. The wraparound, it goes all the way around the jar. I love this light blue. As you see, it is trimmed in gold on it. The wicks is pretty thick on this one. This one kind of smells like glue to me. This smells like glue, but let's see what the scent notes is. The scent notes is vanilla, fir needles, mint, and coconut flakes. I feel like I have this candle, but if I do have this candle, I probably only have one. So yes, again, these are online exclusive candles. I'm not sure if these candles will be inside the store, you know, like a different version of them. I don't know, but I did grab these when they came out online. Another, I just absolutely love this packaging. This packaging just spoke to me. This is really, really nice. I love the packaging of this. This has that retro look to it, like old school, modern. I don't know, but I love this packaging. This is White Winter Woods. I do own this candle that came out last year. I mean, it came out the previous year, but I wasn't able to grab it the first year that it came out. I think was 2019 was the first year this candle came out, but I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that, but I'm not sure. I know the first year that I seen it, I couldn't get my hands on it. It sold out so fast, but that following year, 2020, I did grab it. I think I burned it maybe one time. And this year I decided to go ahead and grab it again because this packaging just spoke to me. I really, really like this packaging, and it does go all the way around. So nice. I love it. I love this packaging. So nice. And it could just be the colors. I probably just really, really like these colors. The cream with the grays and the gold. Oh, this is nice. I really like this. Really, really like it. The scent notes on this one is cedarwood and basically sandalwood. I mean, the scent notes has more things on it, but the important notes is the cedarwood bark as well as the sandalwood. So if you love those wood-like scents or notes, this would be the candle for you because you're gonna get that wood-like scent. I actually might burn this candle today. Dang, I don't even know if I could take it, but I might burn this candle today because I just, this packaging is just speaking to me. So good. Again, another one that the packaging is just so nice. Very retro, very, I don't even know, I don't even know what the word is, structure. I don't know what the word is for this whole design, but I really love it. I love the fact that like the lines are so straight and it's just so structured. Like, I don't know what the correct term is for this type of art, but I really do like it. I really, really like this design on it. And again, this is smoked vanilla, and y'all know smoked vanilla is my favorite vanilla scented candle at Bath and Body Works. I absolutely love it. So most of the time, every time they bring this smoked vanilla candle out, I'm going to grab at least one because I love it. I actually have the smoked vanilla from my collection on the warmer, and I've been using it for like 2 days now. But the scent notes in this one is vanilla, smoked sandalwood, and bourbon. So good. This is so good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I absolutely love smoked vanilla, and I might grab another one just because I really love the packaging. This is so good. I highly recommend this smoked vanilla candle. This one throws really good for a vanilla scented candle, because we know vanilla scented candles normally don't throw much at all. But this one does pretty good. This one still is like a medium. It's way more than the average vanilla because most vanillas throw low or soft. But this one is more of a medium throw for me. But I love it. This is so good. So good. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you grabbed any of these online exclusive candles? If you did, leave that in the comment area. Let me know, have you tried the new single wick candles? I do know that Bath and Body Works just recently did that sale on a lot of the single wick candles. And I did participate in that sale. I just haven't received my items yet. So leave that in the comments. Let me know, have you got your hands on the new single wicks, or did you pass on that sale? Did you grab any of these online exclusive? I'm gonna call it the retro collection. I don't know what it's called, but to me the packaging looks very retro. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, have you grabbed any of those? Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave comments at the bottom, and follow your girl on Instagram, and hit the notification bell. And I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.